Hey, also, I'm kind of running out of time. So, my wife picked up these glasses from Walmart, and they're what, $1, $2 each, something like that, somewhere around there. And so, well, being here in Oklahoma, we're kind of OU fans. So we put a OU on there, and then BG is her co-worker's cat's name, so it's just going to be like a little cat bowl. But yeah, that's all you do is you kind of cover it all up that you don't want sandblasted, and then cut out what you want, and then sandblast away, peel it off, and that's what you get. So, all right. So, like I said, we're running out of time, so I'm going to hurry up and just sandblast all of this best as I can. These parts are not. This one definitely. I don't think I'm going to do that. All right. Let me cut this off. All right, let's go over here. All right, so here's where we're at. I guess I don't know if you can see that right there, but I was gonna get it all the inside as far down as that, but I decided not to. It was taking forever, and my hose was starting to clog up. You can see right here. I don't know if you can see or not, but there's a whole bunch of, I guess this was cast, and there's a bunch of porosity or whatever you want to call it. There's that part. MCS. And I didn't really see any other markings. It says there's a number 2 right there. Now that I have this at bare metal, I really do need to go ahead and powder coat this before the moisture in the air starts to rust it away. All right, so let me get my powder coat oven set up and we'll go from there. All right, so I think I'm about ready. Have this set for 450 degrees. It's warming up. Yeah, it's warming up. After I powder coat everything, I'll put it back in here, and then once it flashes, kick it down to 400 degrees, be in there for 20 minutes, and then after 20 minutes it's done. So I just have a box here just to kind of contain some of the powder. I would do this outside, but it's too cold for me. So basically I have a box, I have a rod that goes through here, this copper pipe, and I have my ground on this side. So you push this button to charge it, and you can see the little, so. And you want to make sure each part flashes like that. That way you know that you're getting good ground through it. So. Okay. Now we wait. How well you'll be able to see that. Alright, we'll wait for that to flash. Once that flashes, then we will put it in for, turn it down to 20 minutes, turn it down to 400, put it to 20 minutes, and then go from there. Alright. Alright, so as you can see, it's starting to flash. Hopefully you can see that. Definitely the bell and this arm deal hadn't really flashed yet, but I think we're close enough. So I'm going to go ahead and turn this down to 400. Set the timer for 20 minutes. We'll let it do its thing. Alright, so one good thing about using this box is that I'm able to sweep up all this powder, and I can reuse that as long as the box is clean, as long as your little sweeper deal is clean. You should be able to reuse it. I know that there's some people, they use a small filter, and they have a fan that kind of sucks everything towards that filter. Then they can knock out that filter and use all the powder that got stuck in there. But if I did more of this, I probably would.